And now I request Sister Kothari Dinkaran, Managing Director Sri Jaya Saundaryam Mills Private Limited, अपनी गुड विशेस दादी जी के प्रति प्रस्तुत करें।
Om Shanti. Most respected senior Raj Yogi brothers and sisters on the dais, respected Dr. Farooq Abdullah, our chief guest, distinguished guests, and my loving brothers and sisters, hearty greetings of love to each and every one of you. As I stand here to give good wishes and felicitations to our loving dadis, a thought flashes across my mind. Does the mighty sun ever require a candlelight to felicitate it? Never. This great opportunity that I have today is just to show my gratitude for all that I have received from our loving dadis. What I am today is because of Baba and because of the dadis. Every time we look at Dadi Janki's form, you get the feeling that you're looking into a little child, so adorable. You feel like doing this to her. But when those sparkling eyes glance at you, that's when you realize that's not a little baby to be adored. Through her vision, she's always empowering us, that's what you feel. Through her words, she's always enlightening us. And through her deeds, Dadi Janki always inspires us. Thank you, Dadi, for being who you are. 2-3 years ago, I had the good fortune, greatest good fortune, to spend few days with Dadi Gulzarji. And there are just 3 things that come to my mind that I'd like to share with all of you. Dadi was in Kodaikanal, and when there was a very beautiful garden in the neighborhood, so we took Dadi for a walk into that garden. The owner of that house, he was so overjoyed, and all the neighbors also came and surrounded Dadis. They were all doctors, surgeons from America and all over the world. And Dadi was so sweet and loving to all of them. And the owner of the garden said, "Dadi, I'm so delighted. It's my great fortune that you came into our house today." And you know what Dadi said? "Oh, is it? Is it a great fortune for a sister to visit her brother's house?" Dadi never looks at anyone as an outsider. And on another occasion, every meal, they would change the paper napkins on Dadi's dining table. You know, after eating, for Dadi to wipe her fingers. Then, after a meal, the sister who was in charge of taking care of Dadi, she took the paper tissue from Dadi's hand to chuck it in the dustbin. And Dadi said, wait, give it back. Then I was like keenly watching what Dadi is going to do with that dirty napkin. It was not actually dirty, but once used. That day, Dadi held on to that paper tissue until night time. That's how economical Dadi was. Nobody gives a second thought to a paper napkin. And yesterday, after the sumptuous dinner, I took a paper napkin, wiped my hand, and I was about to chuck it. And I remembered what Dadi did. She didn't chuck it so quickly. She used it all 3 times throughout that day. And what am I doing? She was unwell and Dadi was getting treated. And for an 80-plus person, who's unwell, the thoughts would normally be, when am I going to be better? My head is aching, my leg is aching. But one day when I was sitting with Dadi, just Dadi, myself and another sister, Dadi had a very serious look on her face. And Dadi said, so much effort on this sharir, ek sharir, this one body. There were about 10 sisters, one of them to wash and iron, one of them to cook, one of them like that. So much effort on just this one body. And a thought flashed across my mind and I told Dadi, Dadi, this is not just one body. This is that one body which God uses as His Rath. This is that one body which helps millions across the world to experience Baba, to see how Baba smiles, to see how Baba accepts Bhog, to see how Baba talks. Please don't think so much effort on one body, Dadi. What we are today, besides Baba, it's because of the Dadis. And I feel these 2 minutes or 3 minutes of felicitations will just not suffice. So I tell the Dadis, although they are not here, Dadis, I will felicitate you all my life. Let my every breath, let my every word, let my every step be a felicitation to what you've done to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.